RiiRoo is excited to announce a new range of 12-volt Lexus LC500s. The fact that this is licensed means we have Lexus's complete blessing to use their official badges and stickers, so this replica looks even more authentic. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, functioning horn, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Rear suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The spray painted finish is like no other car on the market. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The Lambo style doors have an integrated hydraulic swing arm, making this model stand out from the crowd. The safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. It has a comfortable padded leather style seat. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.